Hi friends, this video is basically for the printer setup. So I just tried a couple of days back. I brought color printer, and it was very hectic to me to select the which how I can select the black or color print, so I can utilize it. So for that I went to printer and a scanner. In control panel there is a device and printer settings was there, so I just went through that and I try to set up this. So you would have seen that I just gone to the properties, and in this properties uh, I selected the preferences. If you go there, then it will, if you go to the main page where we can set up the print options. So there we can select the color or black or whatever, and once people just applied, then the settings will change. You can also look at the way, uh, I mean it's very simple, but it took me much time because I brought the new color print, and it was very hectic for me. So you just do the sames if you feel this issue is belongs to you, and keep watching this. That's all for today. Thank you.